While the basic syntax for SQL is very simple, it is possible and common to create some very complex SQL statements. For example, this statement, which is not very complex by SQL standards, selects names and populations for countries whose population is over 1 million. Because white space is ignored in SQL except to separate tokens, these two statements are exactly the same. One is clearly more readable than the other, but they will both work the same. How you format your SQL is entirely up to you. It's a matter of style, not substance, but it is important. I'm not going to give you a lot of rules about it, and over the body of this course you'll see how I do it, but I will tell you that it's important that you find your style and stick with it consistently. As your SQL gets more complex, it becomes more important that it is readable, and indentation and formatting become much more important. For example, this more complex query returns the capital cities of countries with more than 1 million population in order of continent and population. For my part, I tend to indent SQL with 2 spaces, and I indent things under what they are related to. I also tend to begin my indentations with keywords and leave expressions hanging wherever possible. This is the style that works for me. Feel free to use it, but also feel free to develop the style that works for you. However you choose to format your SQL, it's important that you find it readable and that you apply your rules consistently.